pupils! How are you today? Very good. Please stand up for the prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning, pupils! Again. Good morning, pupils! Very good. So, before you take your seat, please pick up some pieces of papers under your chairs. Then, please be seated. Understand? Very good. So, I will check your attendance first. Present. Oh, very good. Perfect attendance. Clap your hands, please. So, before we start for our lesson for today, we have a game. So, teacher, what is that game? So, the game is Rebus Puzzle. Are you all familiar with the Rebus Puzzle? Very good. So, let me show you a visual word and guess it what is the answer. Are you all excited, guys? Very good. So, if you are going to answer, please raise your right hand and do not answer in chorus. Understand? Very good. So, handa na ba ang lahat? Very good. Dahil handa na ang lahat, simulan na natin. Can you solve this visual word puzzle? So, here is the visual word number 1. Who can answer this? Okay, Flor. What is the answer of this? Very good. The answer of this visual word is average acceleration. Clap your hands, please. Very good. So, here is the visual word number 2. Who can answer this? Anyone from the class? Okay, Zala. Very good. The answer of this visual word is time. So, very good. So, here is the visual number 3. Okay, Mera. Very good. The answer of this visual word is accelerate. Very good. So, the last number is number 4. What is the answer of this visual word? Okay? You. So, what is the answer? Again, what is the answer? Very good. The answer is get the wrong answer. The answer is instantaneous acceleration. Very good. Everybody clap your hands, please. Very good, guys. Good job. Keep it up. Are you all enjoying? Very good. Okay. Are you all familiar the very good clap? Okay. Sige. Bigyan natin ng very good clap ang ating mga sarili. Handa na bang lahat? Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Yay! Okay. Who can recall what was our last topic yesterday? Anyone from the class? Yes, Flor. Very good. It is all about velocity. I'm sure you are already know how to solve and what is the formula of velocity. So, I have here a 3 problem solving. So, all you need to do is to answer the given question. So, the question number 1 or the problem number 1 is a car travels at uniform velocity a distance of 100 meters in 4 seconds. What is the velocity of the car? So, who can answer problem number 1? Yes, Zala? Okay. Can I see your answer? Okay. So, your answer is correct. So, the formula is correct. And the distance is 100 meter divided by 4 seconds, which is the time. Understand? So, the answer is 25 meter per second. The velocity of the car is 25 meter per second. So, you get the correct answer. Very good. So, the question number 2 is, a sailboat is traveling north at 10 km per hour. Relative to the water is flowing north at 5 km per hour. What is the velocity of the boat relative to the ground? Okay, who can answer problem number 2? Okay, Flor. Can I see your can I see your answer? Okay. So, very good. Your answer is correct. So, your formula is correct. V is equal to VD plus VR. So, the VD is 10 km per hour plus 5. So, very good. So, the answer is, the velocity is 15 km per hour. Very good. Your answer is correct. So, the last problem or the last number is, wait. Calculate the velocity of a car that travels 556 km northeast in 3.4 hours. Leave your answer in kilometer per hour. So, who can answer the problem number 3? Okay, you. What is your answer? Can I see your answer? Okay. So, your answer is correct. Velocity is equal to distance divided by time. Velocity is equal to 556 km divided by 3.4 hour, which is the time. Very good. So, the total answer is 163.52 km per hour northeast. So, you all got the correct answer. Yay! Clap your hands please, guys. Yay! So, now, we have a activity. It can called Observe Me. I have here two similar cardboard boxes and wheels using the pantakip ng soft drinks. All we need to do is to perform and observe what will happen using the procedures below. Procedure number 1. Make 2 similar cardboard boxes with wheels. Meron na tayong cardboard boxes. Using a pentel pen, draw a line on the floor that will serve as the starting line. Then, place the cards on the starting line. Put some small stones on pushcart A, leave pushcart B empty. Push the 2 carts with the same amount of the force at the same time. Very good, pupils! So ngayon, tatanungin ko kayo, which pushcart move faster? Okay, Zella. Very good. The cart B move faster. So, what do you think caused the cart to accelerate? Okay, Floor. Very good. Because the cart B is empty at walang nakalagay na bato. Kaya nag-speeding up ito. Very good. So ngayon, alam niyo na ba what was our lesson for today? Very good. It is all about what? Very good. It is all about acceleration. Very good, class. I have here a video presentation. All you need to do is to watch the video and find out what is the formula and how to solve the acceleration.
Thanks for tuning in to another physics lesson with Mr. M. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use one of the acceleration equations, Vf minus Vi over t. These problems usually involve an object that starts from rest or an object that is changing velocity. And that's pretty much the definition of acceleration. So let's get started. Here we have a car that starts from rest and then accelerates to a velocity of 25 meters per second over the course of 2 minutes. We want to know what is the car's average acceleration. So as always, let's start listing our knowns and unknowns. In this case, our car starts from rest. So if we're starting from rest, that's our initial velocity. So that's our VI. That becomes 0 meters per second. Then accelerates to a velocity of 25 meters per second. So in this case, our final velocity, or VF, is going to be our 25 meters per second. This all happens in 2 minutes. So our time is 2.0 minutes. And we want to know what is the car's average acceleration. So what is A? One of the things that we have to do first is make sure that our units are matching. And so we cannot keep this 2 minutes. We have to actually convert it to seconds. So For 2 minutes, there are 60 seconds in each minute, so our time is really 120 seconds. From this point, we're just going to plug in our values into our equation. So our acceleration is going to equal 25 minus 0 divided by 120 seconds. And so this is obviously going to come out to be 25 meters per second divided by 120 seconds. We end up with a final answer of 0.21 meters per second squared.
Alam niyo na ba ang formula ng acceleration, class? Very good. And now, how about to solve the acceleration? So, I will group you into 3 groups. So, the group 1, the row 1 will be the group 1, the row 2 will be the group 2, and the row 3 will be the group 3. So, all you need to do is to answer the given question. So, this is the materials of your materials. So this is for the group 1, group 2, group 3. So all you need to do is to answer the given question, and each of group must have a leader and a reporter. So you have 5 minutes to answer. You have 5 minutes to answer the question, and 4 to 7 minutes to report in front. So, understood? Okay. Are you done, class? Are you done, group 1? So, let's hear the report of group 1. Very good, group 1. So, group 2, are you already done? See, let us hear the report of the group 2. Very good. Then, are you not yet done? It's okay, it's okay. So, let us hear the report of group 3. So, very good. So, let us give ourselves a Genesia claps. Alam nyo ba yon? Sige, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. So, let's talk about acceleration. So, acceleration, class, is the rate of change of velocity with time. So, here in the board. So, acceleration, for an example, yung car, what accelerator, how car go fast, or what accelerate he use, fast or slow, para pumunta sa kanyang direction. So it is the rate of a change of velocity with a time. So this is the formula of acceleration. So acceleration A is equal to Vf minus Vy divided by time. So Vf is a final velocity, then Vi is initial velocity. So when we say a final velocity, it is a vector quantity that measures the speed and direction of moving body after it has reached maximum acceleration. It is a final velocity. So when say final, dito ka nang sa endpoint. While ang initial, it is initial from the word initial. No, it is describe how fast an object travels when gravity first apply force in the object. So it is a final. It is kanang first nga the first nga iyang gigamit. It's fast ba or slow? Nag-fast ba siya una? Others is nag-slow. So, initial is katong pinakauna, no? So, and time. Time, unsay ka ng time sa pag-travel niya. So, next is, there are two kinds of acceleration. Number one is average acceleration, and number two, instantaneous acceleration. So when we say average acceleration, it is a long time interval. So, and when we say instantaneous acceleration, is a short-term interval. So these are the example of acceleration. The example of acceleration. Look in the board. So number one example is munang accelerate. And number three, the bus nag-accelerate siya because nag-change siya og direction. Mag-change ka direction, mag-accelerate man kay kung tayo kanang street pa siya, so fast, then maghinay day na, or possible maghinay siya kay liko man, so maghinay siya, so muna ang ginatawag nga acceleration. Understood, class? Are we learning? So eyes on me. Okay, very good. So this is the situational problem. Example. Can you read? Okay. So, a car traveling north with a velocity of 30 meter per second slows down to the velocity of 10 meter per second within 10 seconds. So, what is the car's acceleration? So, the problem is the acceleration of car. So, how to find out what is the acceleration of the car? How car accelerate? So, let us use the formula. So, the formula is A is equal to VF. The VF is there is, yes, very good, 10 meter per second minus the initial velocity is, yes, very good, Kayla, 30 meter per second over or divided by the time 10 seconds. So when we subtract 10 minus 30 is equal negative 20 meter per second over the time 10 seconds. So when we divided by negative 20 meter per second divided by 10 second is equal to negative meter per second, or wala may negative or 2 meter per second square. Are we understand? If you have a question, you can raise up your right hand, okay? And now, let us have an oral recitation. So, every question, meron siyang katumbas na puntos. So, number 1. This is a simple question, by the way. What is acceleration? Yes, Maxi. Very good. So, acceleration is the rate of the velocity, change of velocity with time. So, how about the two kind of acceleration? Raise your right hand. Yes, Johnny. Yes, very good. The average and the instantaneous. What are the differences between the two? Yes, Carl. So, average is the long-term interval, a long time interval, while the instantaneous is the short time interval. So, and last, what is the importance of acceleration? So, raise your right hand. Hindi ko tatanggapin kapag left yung ginamit. Okay. Okay. Princess. Very good. So, it is important to know the acceleration because this is for an example sa kung ay sa sample ko kanina, you know how to when you drove a car, you know how to slow and to fast, no? When you are a runner, kabalo alam mo kung saan ka magamit ng pwersa at kung saan hindi, 'di ba? So, ito ang pinaka hard. So, what is the formula of acceleration? Yes, Kenneth. So, the formula of acceleration is equal to VF.
So let's make a group activity. So I will group you into 3. So for this row is for group 1, second row is group 2, and for the last row is group 3. So for the direction, solve the following question and show your solution. Here are the questions. So for the problem number 1 is for the group 1, problem number 2 is for the group 2, and for problem number 3 is for the group 3. So you can start answering now. Okay, are you done answering? Okay, if you are done, please write your answer on the blackboard and choose who will be to report. Okay, let's start for the group 1. Okay, is the answer of group 1 correct? Very good. Let's give a round of applause for the group 1. Okay, let's move on for the group 2. Okay, is the answer of group 2 correct? Yes, very good. Let's give a counterclockwise clap for the group 2. Okay. Okay. For the last group, group 3, is the answer of group 3 correct? Very good. Let's give a round of applause for the group 3. Okay. Class, did you understand our topic today? Okay, if you understand, let's have a quiz. Okay, get one fourth sheet of paper and don't forget to write your name. Number your paper 1 to 5. So before we start, let's read the direction first. So choose the letter of the correct answer. So here are the questions. Okay, are you done? Okay, counterclockwise. Okay, who got the correct answer for the number 1? Oh yes, very good. Who got the perfect score? Oh, very good, Nancy. Let's give a round of applause for Nancy. Okay. For your homework, you have to solve this problem and don't forget to show your solution. Write it in a 1/2 sheet of paper. And that's all for today, class. Thank you for your cooperation and God bless everyone.